Okay, besties, let's get into it. Grab your iced tea or iced coffee, pull out all your cute goodies from Shein, Amazon, DHgate, or even my Shopify store, and let's have a little girly FaceTime gossip moment. We're just chatting, sharing thoughts, opinions, and reactions based on what's been going around on the blogs and the internet. Everything here is alleged and for entertainment purposes only. We're keeping it friendly, fun, and super detailed just like we always do. Why are Americans so fixated with Labubu Stanley Cups and now the viral Starbucks Bear Cup? Honestly, it's like we've entered a whole new level of overconsumption, and honestly, I'm both shook and slightly entertained. People are camping out, paying double, triple, quadruple, just to get their hands on a cup that's literally a cup. I can't. And can we talk about the fact that these aren't teens or kids? No, honey, these are grown adults out here losing sleep and sanity for a cup. Is this worse than Black Friday 2013? I'm asking because I vividly remember people literally throwing elbows over flat screen TVs and discounted electronics. At least back then, it was somewhat practical. Now it's a coffee cup. The funny part is, people are trying to justify it like it's an investment. Oh, this cup is collectible. It'll be worth thousands someday. Girl, really? Maybe in 2045. Meanwhile, you could have just bought like 10 regular Starbucks cups and saved your peace of mind. And don't get me started on resale culture. Some people are literally buying 10 of these cups just to flip them online. I mean, capitalism at its finest, I guess, but it's also a little embarrassing to watch. Like, sis, take a deep breath. It's okay not to participate in every single viral trend. Honestly, I'm starting to think the more viral a cup is, the more stress it causes. And here's the tea. While everyone's fighting for a bear cup, someone out there is just sipping their plain iced coffee in peace, minding their business, and probably saving a fortune. Goals. So what do y'all think? Is this trend harmless fun, or are we officially in peak overconsumption chaos? Drop your thoughts because I need to know if I'm the only one side-eyeing this madness while sipping my $3 iced tea. Okay, besties, so let's keep teeing on this Starbucks Bear Cup situation. I just can't stop thinking about how adults are literally forming lines outside Starbucks like it's a concert. Or something. Like, imagine showing up in your business casual outfit at 7 a.m. just to snag a cup. I don't know about you, but my Monday mornings look nothing like that. And have y'all seen the TikToks where people are unboxing these cups like it's designer handbags? I'm talking slow-mo, dramatic lighting, ASMR style taps on the cup. Girl, it's cute, but also, why are we like this? I half expect someone to start crying because their cup came with a tiny scratch. Let's not forget the hype surrounding Labubu Stanley Cups too. People are literally color-coding their cups like it's part of some exclusive club. Pink, lavender, blue. Each one has a personality, apparently. And I'm sitting here wondering, do these cups also need names? Are they going to start taking them on walks next? And don't even get me started on the resale prices. Some of these cups are selling for triple the original cost. People are literally making thousands of dollars just by posting a picture online. I mean, good for them, but also, this feels like some kind of capitalism experiment I didn't sign up for. Meanwhile, we have grown adults in parking lots doing live streams trying to show off their collection. I saw one clip where someone had a little display set up like a mini museum. Girl, I can barely keep my plants alive and you're curating a cup exhibit? Impressive, but also wild. Now, the drama. Apparently, there are fights happening. Some people are trying to cut in line. Others are claiming exclusivity because they pre-ordered. I don't know if this is retail or Hunger Games. Someone pass me the popcorn because this is chaotic but also very entertaining. And social media isn't helping, of course. Every influencer with a camera is making a reel about their bear cup and suddenly everyone feels like they need it too. It's like this perfect storm of FOMO, consumerism, and social validation all in one tiny cup. But here's the part that really gets me. Some of these adults are spending hours trying to find limited edition cups while forgetting about literally everything else. Bills, responsibilities. Nah, honey, we're on a mission to get the pink bear cup with the gold straw. Priorities. And it's not just cups anymore. The viral Starbucks trend has sparked all kinds of merch. Stickers, keychains, phone cases, you name it. People are now trying to match their entire aesthetic to one viral cup. I mean, if we're going full cozy aesthetic energy, at least it's cute. But the obsession is next level. Honestly, I think the trend says a lot about our culture right now. People are craving something small, cute, and controllable in a world that feels chaotic. I get it, I really do, but honey, maybe don't spend $100 on a cup for that sense of comfort. There are other ways to vibe. And lastly, let's just laugh at the irony. People are literally spending hours, money, and energy chasing a cup that holds something they already could make at home. A cup is a cup, honey. Sometimes the best trends are the ones we enjoy without losing our sanity over them. So tell me, besties, where do you fall on this? Are you hopping on the Bear Cup train, or are you sipping your iced coffee, shaking your head, and living your best calm cup-free life? I need all the opinions because this is peak entertainment and peak chaos at the same time. And besties, let's talk about the creativity that comes out of this madness. Some people are actually painting, customizing, and bedazzling their Bear Cups. Girl, I'm impressed it's giving arts and crafts meets Starbucks vibes. But also, why spend hours bedazzling a cup that you could just enjoy plain? The commitment is wild. And oh my gosh, the unboxing videos. Some creators are literally treating these cups like tiny treasures. They're doing the dramatic reveal, the slow spin for the camera, and of course, the little gasp for effect. I'm over here like, yes, cute, but it's a cup. Meanwhile, people are losing their minds in the comments over scratches or color differences. And have you seen the cup collection tours? People are lining up all their cups on shelves like it's a luxury boutique. Some even have little themed corners with fairy lights and signs. Girl, I can barely keep my bookshelf organized, and you're running a Starbucks museum? Ambition, but chaotic. The resale drama is still insane too. I saw someone flipping their Bear Cup for double the price, and people were actually cheering them on in the comments. Like, yes, capitalism queen, but also maybe slow down before you become the Starbucks villain. And let's talk about the social hierarchy forming around these cups. Some people are being shady about who gets which color or edition first. There's subtle and not so subtle flexing happening online. Suddenly, your coffee cup choice, your social clout. I can't even with this. Honestly, the trend is so extra that it's almost like performance art. People are staging photo shoots with their iced coffee, matching outfits, and props. It's aesthetic perfection, but it's also peak over-the-top consumer culture. I have to tip my hat to the dedication, but also, honey, relax. And can we discuss the stress this is causing people? People are camping out, tracking online releases, checking restocks every 5 minutes. It's like everyone is addicted to the thrill of getting it first. Meanwhile, I'm sipping my tea in peace, like, why am I not losing sleep over a cup? Lastly, I just have to say, it's actually kind of entertaining watching grown adults get this invested. It's dramatic, it's chaotic, and it's hilarious. But at the end of the day, let's remember, it's just a cup. Cute, collectible, viral, yes, but still just a cup. And if we keep our sense of humor, we can sip our iced coffee, watch the chaos unfold online, and survive the madness unbothered. Okay, besties, that's all the tea I have on the Starbucks Bear Cup chaos and all the Labubu Stanley madness. Honestly, it's been wild, entertaining, and slightly stressful just talking about it, but you know we keep it real here. Remember, it's all fun, all gossip, all in good vibes, no judgment, just commentary. If you enjoyed this little FaceTime style chat, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, and comment below with your thoughts. Are you Team Bear Cup Collector, Team Chill Iced Coffee Sipper, or somewhere in between? I need to know who's living their best calm life versus who's riding the viral trend wave with full energy. And as always, besties, thank you for hanging out with me, sipping your iced tea or iced coffee, and sharing in the chaos. I'll catch you in the next video for more gossip, stories, and viral trend breakdowns. Because let's be real, there is always a new craze coming, and we're here for all of it together.